Now this one's a bit of a hidden gem. Great location, strong community, and a sick view. Greenwich in minutes, quick from Central and located perfectly for UCL, Ravensbourne and others. Easy from day one, great team, no hassle. This is the perfect place to study and it's the perfect place to socialise. You literally get free coffee to help you lock in with your revision. I mean, who wouldn't want that? There's loads going on. Social events, big and small. And you've got full access to a state-of-the-art gym. You've got private dining for when you've got your guests over. Right, guys? And we've got the best games room. With the PS5, a pretty decently sized TV. The rooms are modern, slick, and the beds are well comfortable. Oh. And you never feel too far from nature. This is YourTRIBE South Bermondsey.